Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your Montana. On your very front compartments here, you're going to have your power cord, as well as your 12-volt battery. You're going to have a manual light here, the switch underneath. Leveling system is beyond this door. Put power button on and off. This is going to be a two-way switch. No LED. There's a LED. No LED means extend. LED means retract. Auto level if you want to level out your camper. Power to turn it off. You got two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. Regulator's gonna be right above this tank here. There's gonna be a black knob up on the top. Point it to the back of the camper, you're gonna be using this tank. Point it to the front of the camper, you're gonna use the passenger side tank. Little help sheet for the leveling system. Big passenger area. You have your inlet area, exterior shower, hot and cold, water heater bypass, as well as for winterizing. You got a winterizing valve, which you'll use this port. You're gonna have your city water connection port. That will be all for any water. So you'll have to put the water hose in there. You'll come over to here and either choose normal flow or fill the tank on the unit. And then you have black tank flush here. Make sure you connect it to the ground, have your valves open, and you can then put a hose onto it. You don't want, just in case you got a full black tank, you don't want to put it on first. You're gonna have your low point drainage, battery disconnect here. You are satellite prepped, as well as you have your cable inlet and satellite inlet there. And the very right, on the right here, you're gonna have water heater as well as your furnace exhaust. Your poles for your gray tank. Coming to the rear of your coach, you're going to have your 50 amp hookup. Right now we're just running a 12-volt feed. Coming up on the passenger side, you're going to find you got two awnings. They're both controlled from inside, as well as the awning lights. Pass through here, your other 30-pound LP tank. Go ahead and go inside your coach. Right by the steps, you're gonna have your breakers and fuses. Beyond that panel here, you're gonna find your monitoring panel. You're gonna have tank heaters here, fan controls for the living room fan. You're gonna have monitoring panel here, just push and hold to see the level. Water pump, gas water heater, electric water heater, as well as all the LEDs are lights here. You're gonna have your awning controls on these two. The slide control for this slide here. And then these two are for the driver side. So you're out of their two slides. You're gonna have your max airflow fan controls that are above the stove. You're gonna find yourself a thermostat. The bottom bar is the mode bar. Up and down is the temp. You're gonna find two light switches here. One's going to be the drop down lights. One's going to be above the cabinets here. Let's go ahead and go to the master bedroom and work our way back. Master bedroom, right to the left when you walk in, you got your light switch as well as another thermostat for the master bedroom. You're going to find individual lights up above the bed. They're tap lights. They got a button in the center of the actual light. You got charging stations on both sides of the bed. You got USB charging over there underneath the window. Going into the bathroom can be accessed from the master bath or master bedroom or the hallway. You're gonna have your GFI breaker right above the sink here. Max airflow fan controls for above the toilet, as well as your light switch. Coming into your kitchen, nice sized pantry. Just know, keep the pantry closed when you're operating the slide. It will destroy that door. Keys are around your sink. You have your stove top. Just turn your stove knobs over to the light, push and hold the igniter. Depending on if there's propane in the system, it might take a minute to feed it through. You're gonna have your TV as well as your fireplace. These bigger items are not gonna work unless you have short power. Neither is the microwave. So microwave, TV, fireplace, those items are not going to work while running a 12-volt feed. as we are right now. Beyond this glass, you're gonna find your radio system. On the back wall here, you're gonna have the light switch to control the lights above the pull-out bed, as well as the recliners here. You're gonna find yourself a dimmer switch. Turn it on, and then you'll be able to slide the glide to make it go brighter or softer. You're gonna have recliner chairs, table, the lights above the table, or just push button lights. They got a button in the center. I hope this video helped. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore.